Have you ever created a document inside of Google Docs, Google Slides, or Google Sheets, but needed to share that document with someone who did not have a Google Drive account or did not want that file in Google Drive's formats? Well, there's a way that you can email someone a file that you're working on in Google Drive in their preferred format very quickly, and this video will show you how. This is Darius from therabbitpad.com. Have you subscribed to this channel? Click that red subscribe button below so that you can receive updates when I publish videos in the future. So you are working on a document and you want to send that to someone who either doesn't use Google Drive or just doesn't want it in Google Drive's format. You can actually email them the document very quickly while working on it. And what you do is you click the file menu and then you select email as attachment. And then this box is going to pop up where it gives you the option of attaching that file in different formats. You can see here that you can attach it as a Microsoft Word document, a rich text format document, an HTML document, etc., etc. And I'm just going to select Microsoft Word, and then you simply enter the email address, enter your subject, and type your message, and click send. And now that document has been sent to that person in Microsoft Word's format. Now, if you edit this document, you're going to have to reattach that file and send that person the updated file because, again, this is in another format, so you're not getting the instant updates as you would if you just sent them a link by sharing the Google Doc with them. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can receive updates when I publish future videos. And also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.